If you're thinking about starting your ACCA journey, you need to know this. The ACCA qualification is not for everyone. It might be the biggest waste of time and money you ever commit to. So today we are going to be cutting through all the marketing. I'm going to be giving you 5 brutal truths, 4 advantages, and exactly who should and shouldn't pursue ACCA in 2025. And stay tuned because the 5th brutal truth is what forces most people to quit. Hi, my name is Sia Jain and welcome to the very first video in a series where we are going to review major finance and accounting qualifications. And today's video is all going to be about Association of Chartered Certified Accountants or ACCA. So let's get into the cost, the structure, and the cold hard facts. ACCA is a globally recognized body in over 180 countries and provides career in accounting, finance, and management. Now, there's a major misconception that ACCA is not a recognized body in India. Well, that's not true. ACCA members are recognized and employed in India, especially by the big 4 firms. But unlike the CAs, they cannot sign audit reports in India. For someone to become an ACCA affiliate, they need to pass 13 papers, which are divided into 3 levels. The first level, knowledge level, which consists of 3 papers, after which we have the skill level, which has 6 papers, and the strategic professional level, which has 4 papers, but you can choose from 6 papers. ACCA offers exemptions to different categories of students. For example, if you have completed your BCom, you do not need to give 5 papers. That means you do not need to give your knowledge level papers and 2 levels from the skill level. If you are if you are in CA, you are exempted from 9 papers. That means you do not need to give your knowledge level and skill level exams. You can directly start from strategic professional level. If you're a BCom student, if you're still pursuing your BCom, you need to be doing it from an eligible university. Then you can still claim your exemptions and present a degree after you get it. You can check if you are eligible for an exemption by the exemption calculator mentioned here. If you pass all of your 13 papers, you become an ACCA affiliate. But to become an ACCA member, you need to have 3 years of work experience. But unlike CA, it doesn't have to be between your skill and professional level exam. It can be after you complete your professional level exam. It can be while you're giving your skill level exams. It can be anytime you want. That's the flexibility ACCA offers. The ACCA exams are held 4 times a year: March, June, September, and December. Now you can choose which paper you want to give, how many paper you want to give. It's totally up to you. You can give 1 paper or 2 paper. You can skip an attempt. It's totally up to you. In ACCA, after you pass a paper, you do not need to look back to it. It's over, it's finished. You can start with another paper. Now let's get into the advantages of pursuing ACCA. ACCA is recognized in over 180 countries, which gives you the freedom to work anywhere in the world. It truly is the global passport to your career. ACCA opens door to a wide variety of high-paying jobs beyond just basic accounting. You can work as a tax consultant, audit manager, risk manager, financial analyst. Multinational companies are actively looking for ACCA qualified professionals. The qualification is well respected and proves that you have advanced skills. ACCA members generally earn a very good salary. ACCA offers you flexibility. You can choose when you want to give exam, choose which exam do you want to give, choose whether you want to work right now. You totally have, it's totally upon you what you want to do, when you want to do it. Now let's talk about the brutal truths about ACCA. ACCA is globally recognized, especially by MNCs, but in local markets like USA or India, US CPA or CA hold more value in respect of legal authority. Students study for ACCA while having jobs. Having such an demanding career, extensive syllabus often asks for personal sacrifices. Preparing for ACCA, you're easily looking for 2.5 or 4 years of your life just studying. If you lack this consistency, self-discipline, confidence, you will struggle to finish. The ACCA exams are designed to test your ability to think like a professional accountant. During your exams, you can't just memorize and learn and write your exams. You need to think like a professional accountant. You need to be able to apply those formulas. The 5th one, the global pass rates for many of the professional level exams are 40% or below it. That means if you fail one of your exams, it crushes your motivation. You need to wait for those 3 months again. You need to pay the exam fees again, which causes a financial burden and leads to burnout and lack of belief and causes most people to quit. Who should pursue ACCA in 2025? If you're someone who has a global career ambition, wants study flexibility, job flexibility, I think ACCA might be the right fit for you. Who shouldn't pursue ACCA? If you're someone who cannot commit long term and have a US focus, I think the US CPA might be the right degree for you. Now let's get into the fees which we need to pay to the ACCA body. For the initial registration, we need to pay £30. The annual subscription fee is £140, which we need to pay in December. The exemption fees is £84 for the knowledge exams and £111 for the skill exams, each paper. The applied knowledge exam fees is not mentioned, but the skill exams fees is £147. The professional exam fees is £185. There's this one paper, the strategic business leader exam, which costs £260. We also need to pass the ethics and professional skills module, which costs £81. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the content, please do follow, like, share and subscribe, and comment below which degree should I review next.